Designing for CNC routing with Carbide Create and have a C2D file? These are 2D design files for the popular CAM software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Carbide Create 2D design files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your C2D file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A C2D file is a 2D design project created with Carbide Create, a CAD/CAM software for CNC machines, like the Shapeoko and Nomad. Users create these files to design parts, define toolpaths, and generate the G-code needed for milling. The user intent is to design and prepare a project for physical manufacturing. The C2D format is a proprietary structured file that stores vector geometry, toolpath information, stock dimensions, and machining parameters. This integrated, likely binary, design ensures all project-critical data is contained in a single file, preventing data loss and simplifying the workflow from design to CNC execution. It is standard practice to open the C2D format using the designated Carbide Create by Carbide 3D LLC. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows provides minimal insight into this category, so proper review depends on compatible 3D tools. To ensure success, right-click the C2D file and select Open With. Run the file through Carbide Create if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. If your C2D file will not open, do not worry. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the C2D file won't cooperate. First, opening in Carbide Create. Download Carbide Create free from carbide3d.com and install it on Windows or Mac OS. Use a file then open to load C2D files. The application displays the design with toolpaths and machining setup ready for editing, parameter adjustment, or G-code generation for your CNC milling project workflow. Next, generating G-code within Carbide. Configure your material stock dimensions and tooling, then use the toolpath simulation to verify machining operations. Save G-code via file, then save Geo for use with Carbide Motion or other CNC controllers. The generated G-code controls actual CNC machine movements during the milling job. Finally, importing into other CAM. Export C2D designs to SVG or DXF formats for use in other CAM applications like Fusion 360 VCarve Pro or Vectric Aspire. Use File then Export to choose target formats. This provides flexibility for users employing multiple CAM tools or transitioning between Carbide Create and more advanced CAM software platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.